want to show you our top 3 of Japanese chewing gums. We got 2 different Clorets, in a Lupin edition. 1 lot roseberry gum. And a Meiji pack with assorted fruits. Let us start with the yellow Clorets pack. This has an Lupin III, Part 1, edition printing on it. 1 chewing gum has 3 calories. All printings are on Japanese. Let us open it and get a gum out. The color of the gums is green. Let us take a bite and look inside. Even the inside has a green color. It tastes fresh, like mint on the outside. After a few seconds the gum flavor turns sweet. The second Clorets pack in red has a Lupin III, Part 2, edition printing on it. Let us have a closer look at the pack 2. Okay, let's open it. The chewing gum from outside is pink. Let us take a bite. The inside is green. It tastes minty fresh too, like the green chewing gums we have seen before. And gets sweet afterwards too. Our next chewing gum pack comes from the Korean manufacturer, Lotte. It has a rose and berry flavor. The pack is very colorful with lots of Japanese characters printed on. Let us open it. The gum is pink from outside too. The inside is white. It tastes very sweet. There is no mint flavor, like in the previous gum packs we opened. Our last chewing gum is from Meiji. It has 6 assorted fruits inside each pack. There is red grapes, peach, raspberry, lemon, green grapes, and blueberry flavored gums inside. These gums are sugar-free. Meiji is an official sponsor of the 2020 Olympics in Tokyo, Japan. The chewing gums are separately wrapped. Let us unwrap some of them and see all colors. Here we got a yellow lime gum. That's a red gum with raspberries. This pink gum tastes like peach. That's the green grapes gum. And there is a red grapes chewing gum. One gum, the blueberries, is missing. It's an assorted fruits mixture. The colors are filled in randomly. That's why we didn't get a blueberry gum. Let us take a bite and look inside. The gum inside is white. They taste super fruity. At the end, an overview of all chewing gums we open in this video. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe for daily new videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.